Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the foundational elements of Fusioo to help you get started. We'll be focusing on apps, dashboards, fields, users, and permissions. Let's start with apps. You can think of apps as spreadsheets or tables in your database. You can access your apps from the left menu. For example, in this case, I have two apps, projects and tasks, which are grouped under the project management bundle. Fusioo can also be used for other universal purposes like expense management and human resources, as well as more industry-specific workflows such as logistics, content production, and event planning. But for this video, let's continue using our project management bundle. When you click on an app, you'll be directed to its dashboards. Each dashboard is composed of a combination of widgets that help display and visualize your data. For instance, this dashboard contains 6 widgets. Each app can contain multiple dashboards tailored to your needs. For example, in this dashboard, I'm using a Kanban widget to display tasks assigned to me. Then I have another dashboard called Schedule Tasks. Here, I'm using a Gantt chart to monitor progress and assign tasks to team members. From the dashboard settings, you can add new widgets or customize the layout to match your preferences. Switching to the grid view, you'll see the fields that form the structure of the app. You can edit fields directly in the grid by clicking the cog icon to access the field settings, such as changing the color of an item. Alternatively, you can manage fields from the Fields page by opening the app settings. From here, in addition to the fields, you can also access the workflows, web forms, and reports, which are powerful tools that can help improve your productivity. For example, workflows enable you to automate processes such as setting reminders or sending automated emails. Web forms allow external users to create records such as contact forms or job applications. And reports let you generate PDFs such as invoices or progress reports. For now, let's move on to the Fields page. From here, you can modify the fields in your app. For example, let's add another user field and name it Supervised By. You can also resize the fields and customize their layout. Let's save our changes and test them out. As you can see, the new field has been added to the grid, allowing us to select the user who will supervise the task. Additionally, if we open the record, we can see the updated layout. The last topic I'll cover in this video is permissions. You can manage user roles by navigating to workspace settings and selecting users. From here, you can invite other users or colleagues to your workspace and assign them to specific roles. For instance, in this example, I have 3 roles. 2 users are assigned to the sales team, and John Doe, which is my user, is assigned to the administration role. Let's navigate back to our workspace by clicking the top left button. Head to the app settings, then select Security and Permissions. From here, you can configure role-based permissions. For instance, you might choose to hide the app from the marketing team or revoke import access for the sales team. You can also hide the budget field from the sales team and revoke edit access for the deadline field. That concludes the introduction video for Fusioo. If you'd like to dive deeper, feel free to explore our other videos for detailed guides or check out our documentation. You can also reach out to our support team and we'll get back to you in no time. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.